Hello guys, welcome to Murmu Travel Girl channel. Today we are going to make chicken momo, and for that ingredients I'm going to tell you. We need a maida, water to knead, and a chicken finely chopped. You can make this in the chicken shop. You can tell them to make it keema. And then I have added some beans and carrot to look attractive, and for the taste it is healthy also. For if we add it is healthy vegetables. And then salt to taste, green chilies chopped, garlic 3 to 4 garlic finely chopped, then ginger finely chopped, oil we have to add in that filling, large size onion finely chopped, and coriander finely chopped. So friends, we are going to start kneading it. We need little salt to taste in this, and remaining we'll put in the filling. We'll add little oil so that it will be soft. Friends, it is not possible to knead with spoon, so we have to knead with hand. We have to wash our hand properly and then we can knead it. We need water also. We will knead it till it becomes a dough. We will not knead it very hard or very soft, because as we keep it for resting 20 to 30 minutes, it will become automatically soft. It's a little hard, not so hard. Guys, this is very simple recipe. You also can make when you have free time or Sundays. It's very easy. So we are done with the kneading part, almost done. This is the type we have to, not so hard, not so soft, and we'll keep it aside for resting for 30 minutes. So we are going to start making the filling. We'll mix everything. First we'll take the chicken keema, and then we'll add onion. We'll add the beans and the carrot. Then the coriander chopped. Salt to taste. We can add more if we need later. Then chopped ginger, chopped garlic, 2 green chilies are added. If you want, you can add it more later. And lastly, we'll add oil. You can add 2 tablespoons. This is very simple way, less spicy, but it is good in taste. You can also try it. So our filling is ready. I have mixed and it looks very attractive, colorful. For momo chutney, we are going to boil tomato and 5 red chilies, dried red chilies. We'll boil it till it is cooked. So tomato and chilies are almost done. So we'll take it out in a bowl. Tomato skin is almost off, so we'll just peel it off. Tomato skin is almost off. We'll just remove it and then grind it in the mixie. If you don't have grinder, we can use mortar and piston also to smash it. I don't have grinder, so simply I'm going to smash it with this spoon. It also works. I have already smashed everything. It is almost done. Not as fine as grinder, but still it will work. So I'll add a pinch of salt in it, teaspoon of sugar. So it will be tasting as hot and sweet and spicy. Now we'll take a pan and then in that we'll put the oil little. We'll make the oil hot. Oil is hot. Now we'll add some onion to it. So we'll add the mixture in it. I have made this into round balls. Then we'll take a little dry flour, press it like this, and then roll it into a chapati. The smaller, roll it more and make it thin. Similar way we'll roll all the chapatis. We'll roll and finish, and then I'll show you in the end. This is the thin, it is very thin, transparent. So the taste of maida won't come and it will be tasty also. I have rolled into a small chapati. Now we'll start filling the momos. In starting I forgot to add this black pepper, so I'll add it now. Little, not so much. It's enough. We'll take a 2 spoon, or how much your rolled chapati is, how much it is fitting into it, that much we'll take and then close it. So I have rolled few. This is round shape, this is different square shape. I'll put it into the tray. So I have greased this tray. I'll put this into a tray. Here we have a hole. Every small hole, every small tray in this tray we have a small hole. There we'll put. So I placed in a tray. Now I'm going to put this momos into boiling water. Already I have boiled water in this idli maker. I'm going to put it inside and cover it. I'm going to steam the momos for 20 minutes in low medium. 20 minutes is over and it is done. You can see it is cooked, shinier than it is cooked. The skin is very shiny, so it is cooked. So now it is ready. You can have this with chutney, which I showed you, or with soup. You can have chicken soup, vegetable soup. This is a vegetable soup. You can have with that. So if you like my recipe, kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you.